Puggy. Pineapple.
Let's learn what animals live in the water in this red barn. Does a Nemo fish live in the water?
Yes.
Does a mama lion live in the water?
No.
Does an orca whale live in the water?
Yes.
Does a trash can with Scooby-Doo live in the water?
No.
Does a seahorse live in the water?
Yes.
Does a frog live in the water?
Yes.
Does a robot live in the water?
No.
Does a shark live in the water?
Yes.
Does a sea turtle live in the water?
Yes.
Does ice cream live in the water?
No.
Does a blue whale live in the water?
Yes.
Does a beaver live in the water?
Yes.
Does a motorcycle live in the water?
No.
Does a crab live in the water?
Yes.
Does a dolphin live in the water?
Yes.
Does an octopus live in the water?
Yes.
Does Elastigirl live in the water?
No.
Does a lobster live in the water?
Yes.
Thanks for learning what animals live in the water with PuggyPineapple. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these awesome learning videos for more fun.